If you're struggling with your bills, looking for a way to make ends meet, or you're looking to find a way to make money online, then you need to listen up. I'm revealing the best 4 side hustles that you can start right now. It does not matter if you're limited on time or limited on money. These are side hustles that can be done in the comfort of your own home and completely open your eyes to the opportunities that are out there to make money and get you out of your current situation. And once this video gets to 2,000 likes, I'll be testing out one of these business models from scratch, just to show you the process and that it can be done. So make sure to smash that like button down below. Now, if you don't have a side hustle that's making you money, you're the only one stopping that from happening. There's absolutely no reason that you cannot be making money online right now. With how big social media is and the billions of people that are on it daily, you could be leveraging that to your advantage, and I'm about to let you in on how. The first way that you can start doing this is by creating a YouTube channel and just start putting out content. YouTube is an amazing way to make money online because it's what is considered long form content. This means that it's content that does not get old or deleted after 24 hours after posting and continues to make you money throughout its lifespan. And with how many people who are actually on YouTube, it can probably feel like an oversaturated market, but to put it simply, it's not. There's about 122 million people who use YouTube daily, which means there's more than enough opportunity daily to get people to watch your videos. And if you didn't know, YouTube is considered a search engine similar to Google, and it's not just a social media platform. What this means for you is that you can focus on SEO or search engine optimization and start getting views to your channel very quickly just by using the right search words. YouTube is a side hustle that, if you can get it right, can start generating you money consistently. But it does take great SEO, eye-catching thumbnails, and interesting topics that adhere to the target audience that you already have in mind. Now, something that you might run into when you first get started with YouTube is not knowing exactly what type of content to create. And my best advice to that is do something that you're already passionate about, but still never reinvent the wheel. So if you like weightlifting or you like makeup, then go out on YouTube and look at what videos and thumbnails are doing the best so that you can replicate the same success with your own content. The data will never lie to you. You just have to be savvy enough to understand it and use it to your advantage. But I want to be clear about something. If YouTube is the side hustle of your choice, be prepared to put some time in. From planning content to recording and editing, you'll have your hands full, but it will all be worth it in the end. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, your videos will actually start making you money. Now, I'm not here just to talk about it, but to also show you. As you can see, in October, I generated about $7,200 in revenue just that month alone. But believe me, when I first started this channel, I wasn't even making close to this. I wasn't even making a single penny. But consistency is what will pay off with this side hustle. And once you actually decide on the type of content that you want to create, whether it's informational or for entertainment, it's time to start creating. Now, heading into side hustle number 2, which is, if you know me, is my personal favorite, dropshipping. But before we head into that, make sure that you drop in the comment section down below the side hustle that you want to start this 2023. Now, dropshipping is the ultimate side hustle that you can have because there's no cap to when you can make money or how much money you can make. And to make it even better, there's a low startup cost and limited risk when it comes to first getting started. Dropshipping is a business model that allows you to advertise products with an online store that you create while holding absolutely no inventory. Not only do you not need inventory, but it also doesn't take that much time out of your day once the stars start rolling in because you're able to automate the entire process. From how much you're spending on your ads to fulfilling your orders to tracking your profit, I mean, there's an app for absolutely everything that you could need that can make running a dropshipping business as your side hustle the option for you. And I just dropped a video covering how you can get started with dropshipping in 2023, so make sure you go ahead and check that out after this video. And my team and I have also taught complete beginners with no prior experience how to generate sales just like this down below and really understand what it takes to make money in your sleep. So if that's something that you're interested in learning how to do, make sure that you head over to my Instagram at AC_Hampton, DM me the word dropship, or check out for more information with the link in my description on how you can get started successfully. Now, like I said, I'm not just here to tell you what you could be doing. I'm actually here to show you the possibilities that you can have while starting these side hustles. And this is one of my dropshipping stores that started off as a general store, but then turned into an e-commerce brand. And as you can see, in only a couple months, was able to generate right around $461 $1,000, and I'm gonna go ahead and refresh the screen because we already know it's no cap. And honestly, that's one of the best things about starting a dropshipping store in my opinion. It has the ability to turn into a long form of passive income that is giving you extra money on the side year after year. You can go from selling training products to creating a successful online brand that is racking in money every single day, just like the store I just showed you. Now, do not get me wrong, dropshipping is not an overnight get rich quick type of thing. Like any other side hustle or any other business, it's going to take time and effort to get started successfully. But it's something that once you do figure it out, you can automate and have this process continue to keep repeated so you can continue to keep making more and more money. And we're gonna head into the next side hustle in just a second, but make sure that you're staying tuned because the side hustle at the end of this video is one that you can start now, is beginner friendly, and can start bringing you in money right into your pocket in only a couple hours.
You serious?
Now, heading to another amazing side hustle that you can get into right now while the market is hot is Airbnb. One major misconception that people have when it comes to Airbnb is that you always have to own the property in order to actually rent it out. Well, I'm gonna be the first one to tell you this is not the case, and you can start your Airbnb business while owning absolutely no property. When starting this business, you can look up homes, condos, or apartments on websites like Zillow or apartments.com. Reach out to these renters with a proposal to sublease their home. More people are willing to rent to you in order for you to rent out the property than you would actually think, as long as you're willing to take care of their home. When starting your Airbnb business while owning no property, your proposal is going to be one of the biggest factors to the success that you have with actually securing the units that you want. And then once you actually have your proposal down and you've obtained a couple units, the marketing, location, look, and amenities of your Airbnb are going to be what sells. So make sure to keep that in mind while deciding which ones you want to go ahead and get. And this business can also be completely ran from your phone and also completely automated. With services that help you find cleaning and maintenance teams and let you connect your calendars, you can actually book all of your stays and have all your communications strictly just from your phone, and you never even have to show up to the property. You'll be able to keep your Airbnb booked and money rolling in, all while taking care of whatever else you need to be doing, because that's the power of automation. And last year alone, Airbnb generated $5.9 billion in revenue and is on a 73% growth rate year after year, which means that the opportunity is limitless for you. And again, why just talk about it? You can see that my Airbnbs just in 2022 alone, not even for the full year, generated $121,000 in revenue. And I don't even own a single one of these properties. And while we're speaking of limitless opportunity, you can have that with the next side hustle, which is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is perfect for people who are looking to start a side hustle right now. Big and small brands are constantly looking for the opportunity to expose their brand, and they love working with people who fit their ideal demographic. But in order to get started with affiliate marketing, you have to know exactly what it is. Affiliate marketing is a business model where you're able to work with brands that you choose. You go ahead and just create content for them to go ahead and post, or that you would want to post to your own following. Whenever you're promoting their product, they would give you a link or a code that customers can use to purchase this product with some sort of discount, and when they actually use that link and purchase it, you would then get paid a % of commission off of that. And one of the best things about affiliate marketing is that not only are you able to choose the type of businesses that you want to work with, but you're also able to negotiate your rates and what and how you're expecting to be paid. Whether that means that you want a down payment from them and then you actually make commission off each sale, or maybe you just want straight commission. These things are all negotiable based on the demographic that you have following you and how well you do with promoting their product. This is really a side hustle that if you want to make money with it, you can, as you have the opportunity to work with multiple brands, which brings you multiple streams of income within one side hustle. When it comes down to it, there's a ton of different ways that you can start a side hustle and start making money online. But these are 4 of the ones that you can get started with the fastest while putting you at the lowest risk of startup. These side hustles can start making you hundreds of dollars a day and help you take off with your financial goals. They're beginner friendly and you can start them today, not yesterday, not last week, but right now. Because ultimately, having multiple streams of income is so important. Don't ever let life limit you. Find a way to make it happen. I hope that you all enjoyed this video and learning different side hustles that you can start making money with, all from the comfort of your home. Make sure that you smash that like button, subscribe to my channel so you never miss out on a single week of this value. I'll see you all next week. This is AC with Supreme Ecom, and I'm out.
They gon' want a piece when you got it like that. Like Jake said, we gon' spend it, get it right back. Stack that internet money to the site crash. They on